how a trucking carrier does renovation for a trucking company that has almost 6,000 trucks is an enormous undertaking. Here is what they do. This is CR England. They got rid of all they are getting rid of all the old containers, and they are bringing new ones. Those ones just came from the rail ramp. We just brought them here from the Union Pacific. They start putting the labels on them. Some of them are being labeled, some of them are blank, and they are replacing the old ones. These are the old ones that they are going to scrap or auction, because you don't have enough space to put all the old containers. They rent a space for stacking them 3 layers, one on the top of each other, and they do the auction. Auction means somebody wants to buy it, use the trailer for scrap or to work on it. Here is a guy that's fixing my leaking fuel pump. This is a what you call a thermocane guy. This is a thermocane repairman fixing a leaking pump on an old container. When container gets old, it becomes very expensive. So they get rid of the old containers, they bring new ones, they buy new ones. And sometimes, most of the times, all these are new containers that you see them that are blank. When you take the old containers to scrap them or to store them, the container might have 100 gallons of fuel. 100 gallons of fuel, that's $500. And you just stack them and sell them for whatever price you can get for them in the auction. And here, where they replace the old trucks by new ones. It is a huge undertaking, very complex process to replace all the old trucks by new trucks, the old trailers by new trailers. All this in front of you are all the trailers that have to be repaired. When you get rid of them, when you get tired of repairing them, you get to the point where $500 fuel, you just throw it in the trash. It doesn't matter. Here is a new truck that, as you see, it's blank. They start putting labels on them and prepare them to replace the old ones. And here is the fuel tanker that put fuel on all the new. All these are new trucks that are joining the fleet. You can look at them from here. You can tell that they are shining new. You can tell also they just have new labels. All of them are 23. I thought it was 23, which means the year 23. All these are new tractors. So they are replacing the tractors and the trailers. How many tractors you have to replace? About 6,000 tractors. And most probably 3 times as much as containers. The challenge here is the space. Where do you put the old ones and where do you put the new ones? So they took the few lots from the school, the trucking school, and they use them for to store the new coming containers. And the old ones, they have to scratch the labels from them, because you cannot sell your container or tractor or equipments with your own logo. So they have to clean them, to scrap them, to paint them, such that nobody uses the logo of the company. It's a very complex process. This is brand new, just cut from the manufacturer. Here is a challenge. The challenge is the space. What do you do with the old and new one and the new ones? Because you are going to replace each unit. Each new unit you have to double the space. Here are the old ones. All these are old ones. This side, it used to be to have a mix between the old and new. They just dump them here and they bring the yard jockey to find out where to put them. These are the old. The old ones are really beat up badly. Anything that is metal and you have too many people using them, you get damaged very quickly. Here are the new ones. This is the blank ones that we are going to have refurbished and labeled and replace the old ones. And the old ones are in the storage. There is an old guy. There is an old trailer behind it, another old trailer container. As you can see, they are rusted, destroyed, beat up badly. Here is the trucking school. Very soon this trucking school will not have the luxury. They used to have 3 major lots. Here is one lot. In front of it on the other side there is another parking lot for the training school. And we used to have a 3rd lot that we have to take it away from them towards the new containers. And because the company, when it started here in England, it started in a huge land, acreage. They used to rent lots to other companies, like FedEx has a lot, McKinney company has another lot. They're renting spaces for whoever wants to use a storage, a surface storage for tractors. There are many areas here that are rented to outside companies. But now they needed the space because they are getting bigger. Here is the lot that used to be a trucking school. It's taken away from the trucking school to store the new container. And this small dirt area, all these are trucks, outsiders, what we call it a third, contractors from outside here in England. You can rent a piece of land to put your trucks on. Here is a FedEx. Amazon has a lot. This is Amazon behind me. And this is another, this is here England long-term market. And behind it, in the back and the front, where they store new trucks, tractors, and behind it another rental for a different company.